something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Far Point Restorations. Check it out. Super clean. You may have seen about 100 of my videos, both on this channel and the other channel, where I got a super clean shirt on. And although I never promoted it, in a couple of videos I actually was using super clean products, like the video of me cleaning the engine compartment on the Beetle. I love this stuff. Well, it turns out they have been watching my channel too, and they reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in helping them to promote their products. I said, sure, go ahead. So they were kind enough to send me over some replenishments, because I actually was pretty low on my super clean collection. And this is what they sent me. Super clean all-wheel cleaner. Now, I'm a poor person, so I do not have cars that have mag rims or fancy chrome rims. I have hubcaps. This would not be good for hubcaps, but for chrome or aluminum or magnesium rims, this stuff actually is, from what I understand, pretty good to use. We have a bottle of this down at work, and if we get fingerprints all over wheels when we're doing brakes and stuff like that, we do use it for that, so that's kind of cool. You may have seen my wife, and we do buy this. In fact, we have bought this. Use this. This is what we use to clean our grill, and it's called Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. Dissolves grease super easy and super fast. Now, I'm sure you could use this on automobile stuff too, but it's actually really good for cleaning off our grill, a charcoal grill or a gas grill, to like get the gunk that kind of gets burned on there. You spray it on. It's kind of like oven cleaner in a way. You spray it on, you let it sit for a while, then you get a brush or a sponge, you wipe it off. And of course, it's not a bad idea to burn this off too. So we'll close up the stove and run it for like 15 minutes, get it nice and hot, burn off any of the nasty chemicals that may be on there. And then we'll wipe everything down with water and cook it one more time before going back to it, but it works great. And this stuff I use on engines, and so I actually do, I think somewhere on here it's Birdie, it's like a power washer that I used versus the Beetle engine compartment. Nastiest engine compartment I had ever seen on a car. Well, I pre-treated, I sprayed this stuff all over it, and then let it soak in, and then hit it with a power washer. Did that 2 or 3 times, and I actually got a ton of gunk off. This is just the same pretty much as this, but it's non-aerosol. And so you get a lot more, you know. This can is what, that's 17 ounces, and this is 32 ounces. So if you don't mind, you know, squeezing the trigger a bunch, this is a better deal, I guess. But yeah, super clean. So they were kind enough to reach out, and you know what they gave me was another super clean shirt, because the one I got, so years ago I bought like a 2-pack, and it came with a free t-shirt, and I wore the heck out of that shirt. It's like this one. It's super light, and on a summer day like today, I like to wear a really light t-shirt. So I just wore that thing until it had holes in it. Well, you'll get to see the super clean shirt again, because they were kind enough to send me another one, and I do appreciate them doing that for me. Anyway, I'll leave well, I'm not even going to leave a link, because it's just, they're available everywhere. I bought my super clean stuff at Walmart, but you can get it at Lowe's, and I'm sure Home Depot as well. And I'm sure probably at the auto parts stores they have it as well. I urge you to check them out. I mean, it's, again, like, you know, you can do review of products, but if it's something that I was using already, it makes it super easy. Take care, my friends.